Oregon is no doubt one of the most prestigious chainsaw brands up till now. The corded electric chainsaw i.e. CS1500 comes with some notorious qualities that make it a perfect choice for backyard cleaning and chopping firewood. Be it the ergonomics, power, and performance, ease of use, or self-sharpening ability, this 18 chainsaw does it all with absolute durability. Oregon, being a reliable brand, also offers a warranty on CS1500, thus making sure that homeowners can enjoy peace of mind while cutting different wood materials with it. The Oregon chainsaw review today includes some of the aspects that make it a standout among other brands. Plus, I'll also see what it's capable of with first-hand experience. At last, we'll get to discuss some of its qualities along with positives and negatives. I've reviewed and discussed almost 50 plus different chainsaws on Chainsaw Guru up till now. Not even once did I notice any self-sharpening feature in any tool. That's, however, not the case with Oregon CS1500. It comes with a self-sharpening option, which keeps the chain sharpened enough. With the inclusion of Power Sharp technology, Oregon has really caught the attention of many homeowners. The 15-ampere electric motor offers powerful performance and makes sure that you make smooth slices without facing any hurdle. Other than that, the manufacturer has made the tool as ergonomic as possible, thus handling it is surely a piece of cake. All these qualities make this corded electric chainsaw one of the standouts among other tools. The chainsaw was confined in a small yet rugged box, so I opened it with the help of a tape cutter and took out the tool. Along with the tool was available a long cord with a standard plug, so connecting the chainsaw to a typical socket was not an issue at all. Other than that, the box also included a user manual that I gave a scan before checking out the tool. The chainsaw seemed a bit weighty as soon as I took it into my hands. Secondly, it had great construction, so handling the tool was not problematic. It consisted of a large 18 guide bar along with a sharp chain coming towards the red lever. It's used for sharpening the chainsaw within 3 seconds. Next, the automatic oiling window was transparent, so that was yet another plus point. One thing that I liked about the chainsaw was the presence of a cord hook. It kept the cord in one place to keep everything mess-free. Overall, a solid build from Oregon with little to no issues whatsoever. After I took a large extension out of my house into the backyard, I plugged this chainsaw in and started it after pulling back the chain brake. It started in an instant. The variable speed trigger was smooth enough, and it kept me in control while cutting different firewood materials. Thanks to the 15-ampere motor power, I was able to take down some medium-sized trees in my garden with ease. Furthermore, I also tried it on a thick wood log, but the results weren't satisfactory enough. Throughout the testing phase, I didn't feel any problem with the chainsaw. Maneuvering it was a bit difficult as it came with a corded interface, but I still managed to carry it around in the backyard with little struggle. All in all, I must say that the chainsaw is a steal in such an affordable budget. The power it delivers is more than enough to cut down stubborn branches, dead trees, shrubs, etc.